Printer is one of the important components of a hardware, whether you are using a laptop or a computer system, whether it's for a business or for a personal use, you might always need the printer. In earlier days that people used to go in a cafe and take a printout. Now because of the cost and the reduction of cost of the printer, it's very easy to afford printer and have it for you. So recently when I was using a printer, I encountered an error, or you can say an issue, which seemed very difficult. So I just try to sort it out, and I just try to find some of the details how to sort out an issue. And unluckily, I did not found any of the helpful articles to solve that specific problem. So finally, I found a way which is very practical and which is very cost effective, and I found that I should share it with you. So let us see that problem what I face and what majority of the people face the problem in various types of printer. So as you can see here, I have an HP DeskJet printer, and I did not use the cartridge or a printout for approximately maybe 2 or 3 months. So after when I start to give a printout today, suddenly I notice that it's only blank pages coming out, nothing gets printed out. So if you see the page over here, this was the page, test page. I tried to give it out, it was a test page, and when I tried to print it out, only the colors were seen and the black ink was not seen. So I made out that something was wrong with the cartridge or black cartridge, and I tried to troubleshoot it. So here is the solution. You need to know how to take out the cartridge. So I will just show it to you over here how you can remove the cartridge. So here is the printer, and you see this part, that is the part where you need to open it and see the cartridge. So when you will open this door over here, this thing gets moved, and this one which you can see is the color cartridge, this one which you can see is the black and white cartridge. If you have issue with the color cartridge, you need to remove this. If you have issue with the black and white cartridge, you need to remove this. So in my case, I had issue with this. So to remove it, you just need to be very delicate and you need to pull it out. You need to incline it below and then pull it out. So here is the cartridge. Now I would show the different parts of the cartridge. This is the head of the cartridge where the ink comes in and gets printed on the paper. So the issue was with this, the ink got jammed, it got dried, and that's the reason why the black and white part of the characters was not printed on the paper. So to fix it out, what we will be doing is I will be showing you, it's very nice homemade solution and it will be very effective. So this is the ice, and we will be need to put it on the top of the head of the cartridge. So we will be keeping the ice for 5 to 10 minutes at least, because it will help in the movement of the ink within, the ink which was jammed, it will help in the movement of the ink. So we put the ice on the top of the head of the cartridge over here and try just to move a little. When I did it for the first time, I thought as well that it was little risky, but I noticed that if you clean up the cartridge well, there is not so much of risk over there. So we put the ice for nearly 5 to 10 minutes and we try to rub it a little on top of the head of the cartridge, and all right, so that would be enough, and then we need to clean up the, so we will need a piece of tissue to clean up on the head of the cartridge. So you will clean this portion where you place an ice earlier and try to dry it completely, so that when you insert the cartridge back, and as you can see the ink has started to appear on top of the head, that shows that the experiment has worked out. But we will insert the cartridge and see how it goes. So we will make sure that all the sides of the cartridge where we put the ice is completely dry. I guess now it's dry. So now we will be putting up the cartridge back inside. So we will try to bring the, yes, and now we will be inserting the cartridge back. So there is a little water which we need to remove it still, I guess. Alright. So you will be inserting the cartridge. As you might be knowing, to insert the cartridge you don't need to push up straight, but you need to push up in an inclined way like this, and then you need to push it straight. So here it is inserted, and then we will close the door back, and then we will try to give a printout so that you can see that it worked fine. So we will give a test printout to check if it worked fine. Okay, so the print is going on, and we will get to see how is the result of the black and white cartridge ink. See, so you can see that it started to work. So in the video I only use the ice for 5 minutes. If you use the ice for more, like 10 minutes or something, you will get a very clean result of printout. So I did nothing. It's just that we try to make sure that the ink is not jammed and the ink is properly liquidated. So this was a very simple tip to get it started. So that is all for this tip, and we will come back with the other solution and the problems you face and what you need to do. Thanks.